Welcome to Everyday English Podcast. Hello, and welcome back to Everyday English Podcast. I'm Anna.
And I'm Mark. Hi, everyone. So happy to have you here with us today.
We're so glad you're listening. You know, every week we talk about something to help you with your English, and today's topic is very special.
Yes, today we're going to talk about two little phrases that are very, very common in English. They are think of and think about.
Oh, yes. Think of and think about. Now, these two phrases are very small, but they can be a little confusing, right?
Oh, yes. Even my students sometimes say, Mark, what's the difference? When do I use think of? When do I use think about? And you know what? Sometimes they are the same, but sometimes they're different.
Exactly. And that's why we're making this episode, because these little words, of and about, they change the meaning just a little bit. And when you understand this, your English will sound so much more natural.
So today, we're going to look at many examples. We'll have little conversations, we'll practice together. And by the end of this episode, you will feel more confident.
Yes. So, are you ready? Let's start.
Okay, Anna. Before we go deep into the differences, let's talk about why this topic is so important for English learners.
That's a good point, Mark. You know, prepositions, small words like of and about, they are very tricky in English.
Yes, and when you use the wrong preposition, it can change your meaning, or sometimes people might not understand you clearly.
For example, if you say, I think on you instead of I think of you, that sounds strange to a native speaker. We don't say think on in English.
And here's why this matters in everyday life. We use think of and think about all the time, every day, in conversations with friends, at work, when we're shopping, when we're making plans.
We use them for opinions. What do you think of this shirt? We use them for memories. I was thinking about our vacation. We use them for decisions. I need to think about your offer.
So if you learn to use these two phrases correctly, your English will immediately sound more natural. People will understand you better, and you will understand native speakers better too.
Today, we're going to make this super simple. We'll give you clear rules, lots of examples, and fun practice. By the end, you won't be confused anymore.
Let's do this. Okay, Anna, let's begin with the easy part. Sometimes think of and think about mean the same thing.
Really? When?
When we talk about someone's opinion, when we ask, what is your idea? What is your feeling? For example,
Imagine you watch a movie. After the movie, I ask you,
oh, I know. You say, what did you think of the movie? Or you can say, what did you think about the movie?
yes, both are correct. Let's practice together, listeners. Repeat after me, okay?
What do you think of this song?
What do you think about this song?
See? Same meaning. You're asking for an opinion.
Another example. I was thinking of you yesterday.
And you can also say, I was thinking about you yesterday. Both are good. It means you were in my mind. Maybe I remembered you. Maybe I hoped you were happy.
That's nice. So remember, listeners, for opinions and for remembering someone, you can use both. Two phrases, same meaning.
But wait, here's a little tip. When you say, I'm thinking of you or I'm thinking about you, it sounds a little romantic?
Yes, if you say to your boyfriend or girlfriend, I'm thinking of you, that's very sweet. Okay, so that's the easy part. Now
it gets a little more interesting.
So Mark, when do we use think about more?
We use think about when we are considering something, when we take time, when we think carefully. Think about is for longer thinking, deeper thinking.
Ah, yes. Like when you have a problem, a big problem. You don't have the answer immediately. You need to think about it.
For example, oh no, my car is making a strange noise.
Oh no, Mark's car is broken.
Yes, so I need to think about this problem. I need to think about solutions. Should I take the car to a mechanic?
Should I buy a new car? Should I just ride a bicycle?
So you are thinking about many things. It takes time. Let's practice. Repeat after Mark.
I need to think about this problem.
I need to think about this problem.
She is thinking about her future.
She is thinking about her future.
Good job. Now, here's a little conversation. Listen.
Hey, Mark, do you want to buy this phone? It's only $1,000.
$1,000? That's a lot of money. I need to think about it. Can I tell you tomorrow?
See? Think about it. He needs time. He needs to consider. Now, what about think of? When is that different?
Think of is often faster. It's when an idea comes to your mind quick, like pop.
Yes, quick ideas. For example, if I say, we need a gift for Maria's birthday, can you think of something?
Oh, I think of flowers. Or I think of a book. These ideas come fast. They are not long, deep plans.
Great example. Also, we use think of for memories, for remembering.
Okay, imagine you see a person. You know this person, but you can't remember the name. You say, I know her face, but I can't think of her name.
Yes, I can't think of her name. The name is in your brain somewhere, but you can't find it. Repeat after me.
I can't think of his name.
I can't think of his name.
Can you think of a good restaurant?
Can you think of a good restaurant? Perfect. So remember, think about is for longer thinking. Think of is for quick ideas and memories.
But wait, there's one more use for think of.
Oh, tell us.
We use think of for imagination, for things that are not real, for dreams. For example, think of a beautiful beach. The sun is warm, the water is blue. You are drinking cold juice.
That sounds nice. Did you hear? Mark said, think of a beautiful beach. He is using imagination. He is creating a picture in your mind.
Yes, we don't say think about a beautiful beach here. Think of is better for imagination. It's like making a picture.
Let's practice this. Close your eyes if you want, listeners. Repeat after Mark.
Think of your favorite food.
Think of your favorite food.
Think of a happy memory.
Think of a happy memory.
That was beautiful. Okay, so now we have the differences, but let's do a little comparison side by side.
I think it's very helpful to hear both in real conversations. So Anna and I will do some short dialogues. Listen carefully to think of and think about.
Great idea. First situation, a problem.
Anna, I have a problem. I lost my keys.
Oh no, where did you lose them?
I don't know. I need to think about where I went today.
Think about, he needs to remember carefully. It takes time.
Wait, I think of something. I went to the gym this morning.
Think of, a quick memory. An idea comes fast. Ah, maybe your keys are at the gym.
Did you hear the difference? First, think about, long, careful. Then, think of, quick idea comes to mind.
Let's do another one. This time, opinions and imagination.
What do you think of this jacket? Is it nice?
Let me think about it. Actually, I think of something better. There's a cheaper jacket at another store.
First, think about, considering, looking carefully. Then, think of, a quick idea comes to mind.
This is so helpful to hear in real conversations, isn't it?
Yes, and now, listeners, you can hear the difference.
Okay, now let's talk about mistakes. Don't worry, mistakes are normal. We all make mistakes, but let's look at some common ones.
Mistake number 1, using think about for quick ideas.
For example, someone asks you, can you think of a color? You shouldn't say, let me think about it for 10 minutes. It's a quick question. Just say the color.
Yes, quick question equals quick answer equals think of. Mistake number 2, forgetting the preposition.
Oh, yes. Some learners say just think without of or about. For example, I'm thinking my mother.
That's not correct. You need the little word. I'm thinking of my mother, or I'm thinking about my mother.
It's a small word, but it's important. So remember, think plus of, about, plus object. Always.
Here's a little trick to remember. About has more letters. About is longer. So think about is for longer thinking.
Oh, that's good, Mark. And of is short, so think of is for quick things. I like that.
Thank you. Try to remember that. It helps.
Mistake number 3, using the wrong preposition with think in questions.
Yes. For example, some learners say, "What are you thinking?" without about or of. But if you want to know the topic, you need to ask, "What are you thinking about?" or "What are you thinking of?"
What are you thinking alone is okay, but it's very general. It means, are you thinking right now? Not, what is in your mind?
So remember, what are you thinking about means what is the topic in your mind? Great question to ask friends.
Okay, everyone, now it's practice time. We're going to say some sentences and you choose. Is it think of or think about? Ready?
Yes. Get ready to say your answer out loud. Even if you're driving or walking or cooking, say it. Practice out loud.
Number 1, I need to... my vacation plans. Should I go to the beach or the mountains?
This is careful thinking, long time. So the answer is think about. I need to think about my vacation plans.
Correct. Number 2, quick. Can you think of a famous singer? Any singer.
That's fast. Quick idea. So it's think of. Can you think of a famous singer?
Perfect. Number 3, she is her grandmother. She misses her.
This is memory and feelings. You can use both here, but think of or think about are both okay. She is thinking of her grandmother or she is thinking about her grandmother.
Good. Number 4, I don't know the answer. Let me... it for a moment.
This needs time, a moment of thinking, so it's think about. Let me think about it for a moment.
Excellent. Number 5, the last one. Think of all the animals that live in the ocean.
This is imagination, making a picture in your mind. So it's think of. Think of all the animals that live in the ocean.
Great job, everyone. How did you do? Did you get them right?
If you made a mistake, that's okay. That's how we learn. The important thing is to practice.
Okay, before we finish, let's review everything. Mark, what did we learn today?
First, we learned that sometimes think of and think about are the same. For opinions, what do you think of this? Or what do you think about this? Same meaning.
Also, for remembering someone with feeling, I'm thinking of you or I'm thinking about you. Both are nice.
Then we learned that think about is for longer thinking, careful thinking, considering. I need to think about this job offer.
And think of is for quick ideas. I can't think of his name. Or for imagination, think of a peaceful garden.
And the trick to remember, about is longer, so it's for longer thinking. Of is short, so it's for quick things.
Let's say all the key phrases one more time. Listen and repeat, slowly.
What do you think of this movie?
What do you think of this movie?
I need to think about your question.
I need to think about your question.
I can't think of the word.
I can't think of the word.
Think of a happy place.
Think of a happy place.
Wonderful. You did great.
You know, learning these small differences, it takes time. But every day, you are getting better. Every episode, you learn something new.
Yes, and the most important thing is to keep practicing.
Use these phrases today. Text a friend and say, "I'm thinking of you." Or think about your plans for the weekend. Use your English every day.
Thank you so much for listening to us today. We really appreciate you. If you liked this episode, please...
Subscribe to the podcast. Click that subscribe button.
Yes, and leave a comment. Tell us, what are you thinking about right now? Or think of a question for us. We'd love to hear from you.
You can also share this podcast with your friends who are learning English. Learning together is more fun.
Bye-bye.